These 10 items are legal, sold everywhere.
She thinks this is safe.
Every breath she takes brings it closer.
You trust your home to keep you safe. But what if I told you some of the most ordinary things inside your house might be quietly making you sick? It's not a horror movie, it's real life. Let's break down the top 10 sneaky household items that could be compromising your health and what you can do to fix it. Dryer sheets, the scent of trouble. If you love the way your clothes smell after drying, you're not alone. But that sweet scent could be harming your lungs. Dryer sheets often release VOCs like benzene and formaldehyde, which have been linked to cancer and respiratory damage. Ditch the toxins. Try wool dryer balls instead with a few drops of essential oils like lavender. Nonstick pans. The slick danger that easy clean nonstick surface might be leaching chemicals into your breakfast eggs. Most nonstick pans contain PFAS, which are linked to cancer, thyroid disease, and fertility issues. If your pan is scratched or flaking, throw it out. Upgrade to stainless steel or cast iron and avoid using metal utensils. Scented candles. Sweet scent, bitter truth. Cozy candles fill the room with a relaxing scents, but also release airborne toxins. Cheap scented candles emit petroleum-based particles and chemicals that can trigger allergies or worse. If it smells too strong, it probably is. Choose beeswax or soy candle with natural essential oil fragrances. Cleaning sprays. Shiny but shady. Lemon fresh surfaces might hide toxic ingredients. Sprays often contain ammonia, bleach, and formaldehyde that irritate lungs and skin. Ventilate the room, wear gloves, and limit exposure whenever possible. Even better, go with vinegar, baking soda, and other natural cleaning options. Plastic food containers, microwave minefields, plastic lunch containers, even microwave-safe ones can release microplastics and BPA-like toxins, especially when heated. These disrupt hormones and increase long-term cancer risk. Use glass or stainless steel instead, and never reheat plastic in the microwave. Microwave popcorn. Fast but fatal. The bag, the butter, the topping, they're all suspicious. Microwave popcorn bags are often coated with PFAS and artificial butter flavors that release toxins when heated. Air pop your corn at home and melt real butter for an old-school, safe snack. Shower curtains. More than just to smell that strong new plastic scent from vinyl shower liners? It's not harmless. It's off-gassing phthalates and VOCs right into your bathroom. These chemicals disrupt hormones and linger in the air for weeks. Switch to fabric or PEVA curtains and let them off-gas outdoors before installing inside. Air fresheners. Plug-in poison. That lavender scent from the plug-in might not be as calming as you think. Air fresheners release phthalates and synthetic chemicals that can affect fertility, mood, and even child development. Simmer citrus peels and cinnamon, or use an essential oil diffuser for safer, fresher air. Antibacterial soaps, marketing over a medicine. Soaps labeled antibacterial sound helpful, but often include triclosan or similar compounds, which have no added benefit and can cause hormonal disruption. They may even breed antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Good old soap and water still gets the job done. Scrub long, rinse well. Weed killers and bug sprays. Hidden hazards. Outside, popular herbicides and pesticides often contain glyphosate and 2,4-D, both linked to cancers like non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. These chemicals linger in your soil, on your patio, and even in your pet's paws. Use vinegar, boiling water, or weed burners as safer alternatives. Final thought. One step at a time, or you don't need to panic. Just take action. Swap out one harmful product at a time. Glass containers, natural candles, essential oils. Simple swaps, powerful impact. You're not just cleaning your house, you're protecting your future. And if you've already ditched some of these, share your hacks below. Let's help each other live a little safer, one small change at a time. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you're the CEO of your own health. See you next time.